If you don't get a space, how are you going to get a good result? ouais. Attendez, ouais. T'as bien attendez, ouais, free. Les gens ne passent pas ça. Maintenant, attendez, ouais. Et puis, donc, les gars, police fort. Les gars, soldats forts. Les gars, badouas forts, Nasser. Après ça, ouais. Le moment où elles sont forcés. Adena, Nano. Anya kwa yeye die. O mani yeye die. O fani yeye die. Nana adi kwa fu. Nana adi kwa fu. Nana mabodi. Nana kana nana mkonya. Ka bodi e kwa mkutam. Se nana uba aboase. Uba aboase no. Uba ka bi che nana no. Uka che nana no. Nana no musu tie. Nana ma che wa no se. Uko she bo. Se yatisika so. Se akomodi. Nana sa bo she na bo she no. Aya aboase ana no tira. Adetina fedia. Esofonia. Mayisika. Mayiko. Mayidamo. E wo siase. Amena na ko peka se de mo nzo na. Ala utu omu. Agbeda de ma China for. China for. Me Mayiko na me na no. China for. De mo fa to do ani no. Wo ni na ma China for. Nko na no paper. Nko na no dekita. Afeni asa. Na de be se chonse. Wo konya.
Jaisula, oh, Amagana. Angamisi Jaisu. Chauku Nebano, Amagana. Oh, Amagana Ukunuba, Amagana Jaisu. Every 1 minute, ball and corruption, I shan't tell you. Every 1 minute, ball and corruption, I shan't tell you. Amagana, yeah, Amagana.
The money we need for socio-economic development and social transformation of this country is under your feet there. The natural resources of this country is what we must judiciously exploit
Try. Yes, but yes, we can see. Move through on the mic.
You are all aware that we have discovered oil in this country and started exploiting oil in the Jubilee fields since 2010. Now, I want to take you back into memory lane, those of you who can remember. Before we started producing oil from the Jubilee fields, workshops were held all over the country, the then 10 regional capitals, and soliciting views from Ghanaians how we were going to spend the first $5 billion from the Jubilee fields. Do you remember? Now, 10 years after Jubilee fields, we have not yet made the first $5 billion. Even though Jubilee fields has generated $23.304 billion. And how much has Ghana got? $4.716 billion. Ghana, after 10 years of Jubilee fields, derived $4.716 billion out of $23.304 billion. Now, we were told by the professors and doctors in this country that the hybrid system, is the best for this country. And honestly, if we were doing the hybrid system properly, Ghana should have earned $9.8 billion if we were actually doing the hybrid system. But what has happened? I have a question mark to the table. Where is the $5.188 billion used under the hybrid system? Which means something is going wrong, which you Ghanaians do not know about. And some of us know. That is why I have to come out today to tell you Ghanaians, my children, and the children yet unborn, that our mineral resources will be the basis of the development of this country, which our leaders are not doing very well. Now, I want to give you an example, latest example. Now, crude oil gives fossil fuel for moving vehicles, isn't it? Fossil fuel is the petrol, the kerosene, the diesel, the fossil fuel. That is what we are using to move our vehicles. But the new generation of vehicles coming now is electric cars, isn't it? Now, lithium will be the basis of storing energy in electric cars. We have discovered lithium around South Pond and Cape Coast, worth about $150 million at this current. What has happened here? If lithium is going to be the basis of electric cars for the next generations to come, then Ghana should be there. We should be very proud because we are the first country to have discovered that rare mineral. And what has happened? Our leaders have transferred our sovereign ownership of that resource to the Australian company. And then total ownership has been transferred. That's the way we have done to our gold, our diamond, our manganese, and our oil. And the next generation very people to be using lithium to move around. We have discovered that
Samo. Make a possible. There is a judgment now, my mom. None of your media for me. I would can't trust her. But we don't be having your aggressor. And then get there, and Pesca will be a cakai. Oh, yes, sir. As some way, a Babacano. I want to. After a baby, no more discussing. You keep a bubble. Can you? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. They say, what will you do here? Oh, you're very take. Obiara nyɛ bɛma kyɛ bia tie yɛbɛwie no asɛ kɔtintie ba ha no ɔmo discuss no stop it hey stop inciting people it is not nice stop it Eti come on yam pɛsɛ yɛbɛwie I am message in Tabano, or my prayer to China. No more discussing UTV. Any and talker. Obiana will be a winner. 10 years. Say, one time I see. That means we'll fix the country the ground just here and go fair. Every say, you're very low. I'm discussing the other canal. You're a custom. What can I UTV to your bar? UTV to your bar. UTV to your bar. Nobody should make UTV a point. Everybody should leave UTV out. Or we control. Or we control. Ghana forward with the Ekosu. After a while, they say. Obia Yedi. Everybody phone and Kwasu.
Leader Kasa.
Declaration for Ghana. Yabatu national anthem no. You're told them Golasso, you're told them Amaso. Joy! As a more watch or Montemenka. Joy! Yamasi Abediago, Yamasi Abedi come up. Omo Baneba, Baya Abedu, I shake Yakakra. Joy! Alpha, Mutime. Joy! Alpha, Raise your hand. Everyone's hand to Kokoso. Yabauko national anthem. God bless our home, Ghana. Yanara Yasasini. Arise, Ghana youth, for your country, the nation demands. For your country, the nation Wadoruma. The Kaka Chum say a certain stage in one side. Eti a Brasiemu. Any Bramudia. The moment you to a passy. And take a kaka. Eddie and Yachra. I want the upper stage for fair. You are quiet for 1 minute. Everybody go on their knees. You raise your hand. 1 minute silence. You go down with your 1 knee down, 1 knee up. Sorry, all be quiet. Sorry, all be quiet. 1 minute silence for Kaka. 1 minute silence for Kaka. 1 minute silence for Kaka. Please, how you doing? Still, I did one. That means you move Kaka. Debbie, we were still talking once we were supposed to go silence for Kaka. On this stage, Obia Mane Sabakoso. Obia Wacho, Obia Mraha. Obia Wacho, Obia Mukacho Zamra.
Every Thursday, 9 o'clock,
That's on my mind. Ochedi ampon. Sasi aje. What's off my mind? Sandawa we say wa ha. Na nya say Ghana say enti ne wa ha. Dem mo no say Ghana be ye enti ne wa ha. Muhu ya na wie ya. Osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Dr. Busia. Jerry John Rollins. Professor John Evans Fifiata Mills. Dr. Hila Liman. Mua yatu Moswaba. Yatu Mabangu ye Mudieni. Osetu the first Mudieni. Kamanche the first Mudieni. Nanana Mahimfwa Mawuko ina Mudieni. Nana no men samanfo amokọ mudieni de ayesra mu yina ne se baby oman na kwa koduro no aye de aya yesra mu se kwa me Nkrumah ni mudieni nyansa no mo famra yen na mo maye je ekufuo kuma na mo maye Rollins akukuduro enipa biara waya na adwe se oman omani yeye no yesra musa munini wonwa wawie yesika nyina de mo pe no mo fa wonye na mo ni de yesra ne se mo maga na mbabu na hoden mo maga na mbabu na hoden mo maga na mbabu na hoden mo maga na mbabu ni nimdia mo maga na mbabu ni nyansa se yesori jina monta yachi yesori anopa monta yachi yesori awia monta yachi efre nakwai ye pesa Ghana yeye ye fa bankuma nkunim ye fa bankuma nkunim ye fa nifa nkunim bebi aba fa bia nkunim ya santwa oh ya santwa akukudura utiti amani mono mayensa akukuduro no na ma Ghana ntimi nkwana nim efre nakwai yempa basabasa yempa wo yempa yare na mo ni paponi biara so ye MPO so ye minister so ye president so ye vice president so ye council of state member ni pa biara oba na adwen se obewie Ghana sika no se nsuo wonu kroma o twa nsuo ni mfa no eni pa biara why na adwen so obewie Ghana sika yatiti ya mwa urami di atua to asase ade ya man no ni pa biara obefa bi no so twa nsuo ni mfa no afamuntie osaje fu Dr. Kwame Nkrumah yo yewura Nkrumah yo Kwame yo Kwame yo Kwame yo Kwame Kwame yo Kwame 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 nyansa bia ka wutirimu a wodi akwasha fom nimdia biara ka wutirimu a wodi akwasha fom Kwame Kwame fasani nimdia ne bra magana mabuni diye na yabra magana mabuni diye na yabra ahoden nimdia nyansa ere yabusa ariam Glover afei naba yabema Glover be kasa na we invite kaka ne mano ene ne yerenom ewo ho yabema Glover ani katachie wo ho na yenu ya kaka pacho ye unsa bonkum ni sei yes na ye ma on invite one to aso ho na we invite kaka na yere ene ne ma no na wɔn to so wo bia wonim sɛ won kasa na wa ha ne sifom wo bia wonyɛ speaker wo yɛ chi ha ne sifom yɛ pa ma cho mo sifom yɛ ni abere obia sifom yɛ pa ma cho masha asene yɛ nyina yɛ sifom yɛ pa ma cho yɛ bɔ wudi sɛ be kasa na yɛ pɛ sɛ yɛ ka cho mo ti wɔnyɛ ne ntam na yɛ hu na mo yɛ sraw sifom ma yɛn minim de anti asifom na wugina ha fasifom pa cho obia sifom emram emmekasa microphone no ma eti okatachie ni Oliver ni Abraham munsomo ho mic we no ntimi emma ewo aha eti ekwan no mu no ada ho eti won e be kasa ne pe ena ebegyina ha na afei wetumi akasa na de ewo obi ano no wetumi de aba we de eye yene keke na Ernesto ewa ha Ernesto
Unfortunately, Kakef Modern could not one in Ghana who has supported us. We are grateful for all your kindness in this very difficult time. Let us all do for your love and prayer. Our family is going through a difficult time. We have lost our son, husband, and our father. Kasa was the joy of our family. My father